This is OnePlus Ace 3V. The most expected budget-friendly phone is expected to launch globally as the OnePlus Nord 4. Last year, the OnePlus Nord 3 made waves as it marked the debut of a flagship chipset within the Nord series, sporting the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 chipset and boasting impressive specifications. While its initial price wasn't the most competitive, subsequent drops made it a solid value proposition. Now, OnePlus is gearing up to unveil its successor in China, known as the OnePlus Ace 3V, set to launch globally as the OnePlus Nord 4. The OnePlus Ace 3V is confirmed for release in China on March 21st, heralding a significant upgrade with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, aligning its architecture closely with the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Featuring a revamped camera module design, a distinctive ring LED flash, and a relocated alert slider, the device exudes a fresh aesthetic appeal. Notably, the OnePlus Ace 3V boasts a sleek, flat display with a centered hole punch cutout and minimal bezels, offering an immersive viewing experience. Its color options, titanium air gray and magic purple silver, promise a blend of high-end texture and aesthetic finesse. What sets this device apart is its powerhouse performance, courtesy of the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset, equipped with upgraded ARM cores. While its clock speeds may be lower compared to its flagship counterpart, it promises improved power efficiency without compromising on performance. Moreover, the OnePlus Ace 3V packs a hefty 5,500 mAh battery, hinting at exceptional endurance. Early indications from OnePlus China president showcase impressive battery performance, surpassing even the flagship OnePlus 12. As anticipation builds for its global launch as the OnePlus Nord 4, all eyes are on its pricing strategy. With its potent blend of performance, design, and battery life, the OnePlus Ace 3V has the potential to emerge as a leading contender in the mid-range smartphone segment this year. That's it for today. Subscribe Bytes and stay tuned for more updates, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time.